Two.
Hi, sir. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh,
Yourself?
I am fine. Thank you for asking, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Have you eaten your breakfast, sir?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So let's begin our lesson for today. We have about how was your trip to Beijing. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the past tense. But before that, here we have a review. It's about make questions and also the answer. We have the example here. Can you read the example, sir?
What does he do in his free time? He goes skiing.
Okay, very good. So don't forget, if it's about this question, we should have verb one, but it will be verb one plus s or es if the subject is she, he, it.
Yeah.
So yes, like this one. Harusnya go, tapi karena subjeknya he, kita pakaikan is, he goes skiing. Oke, ini contoh kalimat simple present. So, for number one here, sir, what is the question? Apa pertanyaannya untuk subjek you? Lalu jawabannya bagaimana, sir?
Hmm. What What do you do in your free time?
Yes.
I'm taking photos there.
Okay, I am taking photos. Kalau pakai am to be dan pakai ing, dia jadinya kalimatnya present continuous. Nah, kalau ini kita harus pakai simple present, yang mana dari setelah subjek I langsung dipakaikan verb. Berarti I take
I take
photos.
I take photos
Yes, in my free time kalau mau lebih
with
lengkap.
my free time.
Nah, berarti dia langsung seperti ini, sir. Langsung subjek lalu ditambah verbnya. Okay,
Yeah.
so how about number two, sir?
Mm, what does Jen do in in his free time ya?
Okay, his untuk laki-laki, kalau perempuan her in her free time.
Jennya
Okay.
perempuan ya?
Yes, sir. Jane is female. So, what is the answer?
Mm, she is she visits relatives
Okay,
in his free time.
she visits relatives in her free time. Okay, very good, right, sir. And number three.
Number three, Emily. What does Emily do in her free time? She eats out in in her free time.
Okay, very good, right, sir. That is for Emily here. And how about Jack?
Jack. Hmm. What does Jack do in his free time? In his free time, uh, mm, he plays he plays computer game
Okay,
in his free time.
okay, very good, right, sir. He plays computer game in his free time. And number five.
Number five. What does your friends do in their free time?
Okay, and the answer?
And the answer is mm, uh, they 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 attend parties in
Yeah.
their time.
Okay, they attend parties in their free time.
Time. Okay.
Okay, and the last one?
The last one. What does he do in his free time? He dance. He dan. He dance in his free time.
Okay, he dance in his free time. Atau boleh juga kita tambah goes. He goes dancing. Okay,
Dancing.
in his free time.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is about make the questions and the answers are about habits tentang kebiasaan. Okay, so how about if I ask you, what do you do in your free time, sir?
Uh, I always go around.
Go around.
Lagi
Okay.
pergi jalan-jalan, putar-putar,
Uh,
keliling, nggak tahu arah.
okay, so I always go around atau go outside juga boleh. Go
Go
outside.
outside
Yes, in my free
in
time.
my free time.
Okay,
Um,
very good. So that is about this one. And after that, sir, here we have a conversation and we
uh,
have one question. Where did she visit in Beijing? Before that, can you read the conversation, sir?
what
Can you
again?
read the conversation? Mark and Chloe.
Um, where did you go for vacation? I went to Beijing. How was your trip? It was fantastic. There were lots of beautiful places and the food there was delicious. What did you do there? First, I took a city tour. I visited some historical sites like Imperial Palace and a part of the Great Wall. Then I went to Tianjin waterfall. I took a lot of photos there. Sounds like you had a great trip.
Okay, very great. This one is great. Great.
Great,
Okay. Yes.
great.
Sounds like you had a great trip.
Sounds like
Okay.
you had a great trip.
Okay, very good, sir. So we have three places. Hurufnya di sini masih belum berurutan. So,
Okay.
can you guess, sir, for the first one until the third one itu nama tempatnya apa?
Palace Imperial.
Okay. Palace Imperial or Imperial Palace?
Imperial Palace.
Yes, number one is this Imperial Palace, and number two,
To the Great Wall.
yes, the Great Wall, and the
Great
last one.
Tianxian Waterfall.
Okay, very good. Retention waterfall. All right, so that is for the story about visiting the Beijing in this one. Oke, dari sini kita lihat kalimatnya semua menggunakan past tense karena menjelaskan tentang pengalaman yang sudah dilakukan. Oke, so like went, how was, it was, there were, ada juga pakai was, did
There
lagi, ada took, visited, went, took, dan had. Nah, ini dia untuk sedikit penjelasan for the tenses. So, do you have any questions, sir?
Hmm, kayak tadi Miss sudah bilang simple present dan apa tadi? Simple continuous ya. Istilah
Yeah,
sebelum
present continuous. Yes, sir.
ada perbedaannya.
Oh, perbedaannya, sir ya. Oke, wait. Maybe I will write in this one karena tidak cukup space-nya yang tadi. Oke, kalau simple present, ini seperti yang ini tadi, sir, menjelaskan tentang kebiasaan.
Hmm.
Oke, berarti tentang kebiasaan atau fakta. Maksud fakta ini misalnya dia adalah murid di sini. Nah, itu adalah merupakan fakta. Nah, berarti kita pakai simple present juga. Untuk strukturnya, dia subjek langsung ditambah verb satu, sir. Verb satu. Tapi kalau dia subjeknya she, he, it baru pakai s atau is. Nah, ini S atau IS untuk she, it yang tadi. Lalu langsung ditambah dengan informasi yang lain, misalnya seperti yang tadi mengerjakan apa. Yang penting dia strukturnya itu subjek langsung verb. Oke. Lalu untuk yang present continuous, nah kalau ini dia menjelaskan kegiatan yang sedang, nah ada sedangnya, sedang kita lakukan. Nah, jadi dia sedang berlangsung kegiatannya. Misalnya kalau untuk strukturnya subjek, nah di sini baru tambah to be sir yang is MR, lalu ditambah dengan verb ing. Nah, jadi itu dia ciri khasnya kalau present continuous pakai verb ing. Misalnya, saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris, berarti I am learning English. Nah, berarti dia sedang belajar bahasa Inggrisnya. Tapi kalau misalnya dia mau menjelaskan kalau dia belajar bahasa Inggris setiap hari Sabtu misalnya, berarti pakai simple present. I learn, nah I learn English every
day.
yes, every day atau every Saturday misalnya. Nah, ini dia tentang perbedaannya, sir. Ini yang sedang berlangsung kegiatannya baru kita boleh present continuous. Kalau simple present menjelaskan kebiasaannya itu ngapain atau faktanya itu bagaimana. Misalnya contoh fakta itu she likes watermelon. Nah, ini merupakan fakta, dia menyukai watermelon. Kira-kira seperti itu. Okay. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, clear.
Okay, very. Okay, so for the next one, oh ini tadi yang terakhir. And then here we have a little bit about new vocabulary here tentang places atau outdoor activity. So can you read one by one, sir?
Take a city tour, visit a waterfall, go to art galleries, visit historical sites, visit a haunted castle, go for a walk in the forest.
Okay, very good. So we have 6 activity. Yang pertama take a city tour, maksudnya jalan-jalan keliling kota. And then visit, berarti mengunjungi. Ada 3 di sini visit. Yang ini mengunjungi air terjun, yang ini tempat historical, tempat bersejarah. Yang ini haunted itu maksudnya berhantu. Berarti castle, istana, berarti istana berhantu. Nah, something like that. And then ada go. Go itu berarti pergi. Ini perginya ke art galleries. Yang ini pergi berjalan ke hutan. Berarti ada 6 vocabulary. Nah, how about you, sir? Dari kegiatan ini, what activities that you already done? Yang mana aktivitas yang sir sudah lakukan?
Visit a waterfall, go to art galleries, visit a haunted home.
Oh, haunted home. Okay.
Kuil.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's house. Okay. And then, that's it, sir?
Enough.
Enough. Okay. So waterfall, art galleries, and haunted house. Which one that you like the most, sir? Yang paling disukai?
Visit a waterfall.
Oh, visit a waterfall. Okay. And how about for take a city tour, visit historical sites, and go for a walk in the forest? Kira-kira, which one do you want to try, sir? Yang mana yang sir pengen coba?
Visit take a city tour.
Oh, take a city tour. Okay, very good, sir. So that is for the vocabulary here, a little bit for the vocabulary. Do you have any questions, sir?
No question.
Oh, no question. Okay, and now here we have a little practice about choose. Gambarnya yang mana, the correct one. So start from number 1, sir. What is number 1?
Number 1, take a city tour. It's A. Visit a waterfall. It's A2. Go to art galleries. It's A2. Visit a haunted castle. It's B.
Okay, very good. How about this one, sir? The picture on B, what is that?
B. Go for a walk in the forest.
Yes, that is correct. Go for a walk in the forest. How about B in number 3?
Number 3, B. Visit a
Historical sites.
historical sites ya.
Tempat bersejarah. Historical sites. Okay, so that is for this one, sir. Okay, and after that, here we have about new vocabulary. Nah, yang ini dia tentang adjectives, berarti kata sifat tentang trip. tentang perjalanan yang bisa kita pakai kalau mau menceritakannya. Nah, something like that. Ada 6. Can you read one by one, sir?
Unforgettable, fantastic, fun, okay, boring, awful.
Oke, very great. So ini dia ada rankingnya. Yang paling menyenangkan berarti ini unforgettable. What is the meaning, sir? Kalau dari unforgettable artinya apa?
Tak terlupakan.
Ya, tidak terlupakan. Lalu ada fantastic, berarti luar biasa.
Iya, kita
Fun, menyenangkan.
menyenangkan.
Oke ya, oke saja.
Bagus,
Boring,
bosan.
membosankan. Awful, buruk.
Oh,
Ya,
tidak
pokoknya dia,
menyenangkan.
ya, pokoknya dia tidak menyenangkan. Dia pengalaman buruk, so awful. Nah, ini dia tentang adjectives-nya. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau menceritakan, kita bisa pakai unforgettable, fantastic, fun, okay, boring, and awful. Okay, so the next one, sir, here we have the practice. Di sini ada temanya. Oke, lalu sir harus pilih ini kira-kira yang mana adjectives-nya. Something like that. So, number 1, sir. Can you
Number
read?
one, not good, but not too bad. Uh, Not great, and but not too bad. I think it's okay.
Yes, it's okay.
It's
Di tengah-tengah.
okay. Extremely good, luar biasa bagusnya ya. Extremely good. Fantastic,
Okay, fantastic.
fantastic.
Number 3.
Impressive and hard, impressive and hard to forget. I think unforgettable.
Yes, unforgettable.
What is the meaning impressive, Miss?
Impressive is mengesankan.
Mengesankan. Okay. Extremely bad, unpleasant, awful,
Okay, awful.
not fun, not exciting, boring,
Okay, and number 6.
enjoyable, making you happy, fun.
Okay, very good. So, that
Nah,
is for the adjectives here, tentang adjectives menjelaskan pengalaman. Nah, jadi ini boleh juga kita pakai untuk situasi yang lain, misalnya menjelaskan makanannya, misalnya okay atau awful, atau menjelaskan tentang aktivitas yang lain juga boleh, misalnya visiting the historical site is a little bit boring. Nah, misalnya kita boleh pakai juga untuk kalimat seperti ini. Okay, how about maybe fantastic? Can you make one sentence, sir, about fantastic? Buat satu kalimat yang ada fantasticnya.
buat satu kalimat yang ada fantastiknya.
Yes, kira-kira bagaimana?
Hidden,
Oke,
Contohnya seperti
misal
apa?
gimana, sir?
Contohnya seperti apa?
Contohnya seperti ini, sir. Misalnya, visiting the historical sites, it's a little boring. Kalau fantastic mungkin bahasa Indonesianya gimana ya bilangnya? We can say this pasta ini sangat fantastic. Nah, itu berarti bagaimana, sir?
The pasta is very fantastic.
Okay, the pasta is very fantastic. Nah, berarti dia boleh dipakai untuk menjelaskan sifat sesuatu. Boleh sifat tempat, sifat kegiatan, sifat makanan. Okay, nah kira-kira seperti itu. Okay, so do you have any questions, sir?
No question.
Okay, the next one we have about fill in the gaps, fill in the blanks. Nah, ini dia kita gabung semua tentang adjectives tadi, tentang nama-nama tempatnya dan juga nama kegiatannya. So, can you read one by one, sir? And then maybe you can type down the answer if you want to. Number 1.
Number 1. My trip was okay. My trip was okay. I took a city tour.
Okay, took a city tour.
So we went to some art galleries and
Okay.
museum.
All right. So for number 1, okay, and then city tour and art galleries. Correct. And number 2, sir?
My trip was we visited a haunted. It was very interesting. My trip was unforgettable. Unforgettable. Unforgettable, yeah.
Okay, yes, that is correct.
Unforgettable. We visited a haunted castle in San Diego. It was pretty scary inside. We took some photos there. Let me show you.
Okay,
My trip was mm, it was boring. Yeah, I couldn't see because my trip was boring. I couldn't see historical site. Historical historical sites because it was rainy and all day. I stayed at the hotel and slept.
okay. Number
My
four.
trip, my trip was, my trip was, I, I lost, I lost my money and phone when I took a city tour. Oh yeah.
Okay,
Hmm,
was all.
I'm confused.
Okay, number four dia tentang yang paling buruk gitu, sir. Buruk,
Hmm,
my trip was
awful,
buruk.
yeah.
Yes, awful.
Awful. Okay. Awful. Awful. I lost my money and phone when I took a city tour. I'm going to buy a new phone now.
Okay,
My trip was my trip was fantastic. Yeah.
yes, fantastic.
Fantastic. We went to the countryside. We went to the countryside to see a to see a waterfall. Yeah.
Yes, that is correct,
It
sir. Water.
was fall. Waterfall. It was so beautiful. We also had lunch and took a rest by the fall.
Okay, very great. So that is about fill in the gaps. Yang pertama, okay, unforgettable, boring, awful, and fantastic. Alright, so for this one, dari kalimat di sini, do you have any questions, sir?
Yang ini. It was pretty scary inside. What is the
Okay.
meaning?
It was maksudnya itu pretty ini sebenarnya bukan artinya cantik, tapi cukup.
Mm,
Yes, it was
okay.
pretty scary inside. Itu cukup menakutkan di dalam. Nah, kira-kira seperti itu. Tapi kalau
And
and then
and then we also had lunch and took a seat. Nih, took
uh,
a rest by the fall.
okay, kalau we also had lunch itu kami juga makan siang. Okay, makan siang.
Yang
Okay, we
menggunakan
also,
hat ya.
yes, had karena sudah lewat, sir. Harusnya kan pakai have. Tapi karena
Ah,
ini pas, kita ganti ke
got
verb
to
2-nya,
ya.
yaitu had. And took a rest, istirahat by the fall, maksudnya di sekitar waterfallnya. Okay, by
By
the
the
by itu dia di sekitar. Okay, by the fall.
fall.
Mereka istirahat.
Okay.
Okay, so any questions, sir? Ada lagi, sir?
Uh, what? No, no, no
No.
question.
Okay.
Okay.
So for the next one, here we have about this. Unscramble the letters. Nah, ini ada the answer. So can you type down the answer? Start from number one. What is that?
I think historical,
As historical,
historical,
historical. Two.
two, gallo, gallery, yeah,
Okay.
gallery,
Double L, sir.
apa,
Gallery.
gallery,
Double L. Dia L-nya berdampingan. Gallery.
gallery, gallery,
Yes, good.
gallery, in castle, yeah,
Yes, castle.
castle, number four, unforgettable, unforgettable, number five, fantastic, fantastic, number six, awful, awful.
Okay, very great, sir. So we have three places.
Good,
Ada
good.
3 nama tempat dan 3 untuk adjectives-nya tadi. So before we move on, tadi kan untuk adjectives-nya ada 6. Selain ini ada apa lagi tadi, sir?
Okay, boring, fun, and
Okay, that's it.
okay, that's
Yes, tadi unforgettable, lalu fantastic, lalu fun, lalu okay, lalu boring, then awful.
Okay.
So that is for this one. And after that, here we have about grammar. Okay, about grammar structures. Dan ini dia tentang past. Okay, past tense semua. Jadi kita akan pakai was atau were. Okay, do you still remember, sir? Was ini untuk siapa aja dan were ini untuk siapa aja, sir?
About was single.
Yes,
Uh,
single.
about where for I, we, you, they.
Oke, were untuk plural berarti yang lebih dari satu orang. Dan kalau mau subjeknya itu you, they, we.
You, they, we. You,
I
they, we.
tidak kita ikutkan karena I masuk ke was. I, she, he, dan it. Nah, ini pembagiannya, sir. Ada single, kayak satu orang, orang ketiga tunggal, dan I. Lalu were ini untuk orang yang lebih dari satu, dan you, they, we.
Okay.
For the structures, ini tentang bertanya pengalaman tripnya. Berarti pakai how. How itu kan bagaimana. Lalu karena ini past, kita pakai was. How was. Nah, how was blank, 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 blank. Nah, setelah how was, kita tambahkan possessive adjectives. Do you still remember, sir, possessive adjectives ini maksudnya apa?
Possessive adjective.
Yes.
Sifatnya.
Oh yes, possessive adjective ini kan harusnya kata sifat, tapi di sini ada possessive. Berarti ini untuk noun. Okay.
Menjelaskan.
Yes, untuk kata ganti orang, tapi untuk yang posesif, maksud posesif ini kepemilikan. Berarti dia listnya yang pakai my, your, her, his, their, our, atau its. Nah, berarti pakai ini. Berarti how was your trip? Okay, how was her trip? Ditambah dengan tambah dengan trip to. Okay, ini sudah mutlak kita boleh pakai trip to, lalu ditambah dengan nama tempatnya, name of the place. Okay, so for example, okay, misalnya I will give another example. How was her trip to, for example, to the Great Wall, misalnya seperti itu. Okay, berarti ini untuk strukturnya how was, and then her ini sebagai possessive adjective-nya, lalu trip to, lalu ini nama tempatnya. Okay, seperti itu. Lalu untuk jawabannya pakai it was. Oke, it was, baru ditambah adjective yang 6 tadi. Oke, bisa kita pakai sesuai dengan pengalamannya. And here we have the example, sir. Can you read the example?
How was your trip to New York City? It was fantastic. How was your sister's trip to Miami Beach? It was terrible.
Oke, very good. So, ini dia tentang pertanyaannya. Lalu ini jawabnya, it was fantastic. Ada juga di sini terrible, sir. Terrible ini sama dengan buruk. Oke, itu awful. Yes, it was terrible. Nah, berarti kita boleh pakai untuk menjelaskan pengalamannya. So, do you have any questions?
How was your trip in last last year?
Oh, last year.
Di
Oh,
tahun lalu.
tahun lalu. Yes, okay. Is it for me, sir?
Yes.
Oh, it was a little bit boring because I didn't go anywhere. I only stayed at home. So it's a little bit boring. How about you, sir? How was your trip last holiday?
It's same.
Oh, it's also boring?
No go out anywhere too.
Oh, no, not going out. Okay, only stay at home too. All right. Okay, so that is about how we ask, okay, the questions for the conversation. Very great, sir. And after that, let's ask them here. Di sini ada 6 trip dengan tempatnya masing-masing here. Oke, kalau ini dia misalnya ini berarti village, yang ini berarti jungle. Oke, berarti can you make the question, sir? Lalu jawabnya itu tergantung dengan emoticonnya bagaimana. Apakah itu fun, boring, fantastic, atau yang lainnya. Okay, so for the first one, can you read the example, sir?
How was your trip to Manhattan Island? It was fun.
Okay, number 1. Oh, number 2.
Number 2, how was your trip to the countryside? It was boring.
Okay, it was boring. Number 3.
Number 3, how was your trip in the jungle? It was fantastic.
Okay, fantastic.
How was your trip to New York City? It was mm, it was
Menyenangkan.
okay. Oh, fun. It was
Yeah, it was fun.
it
And
was
then,
fun. And then, how was your trip to Seoul? It was boring.
okay, and the last one.
How was your trip to Virginia? It was okay.
Okay, very great, sir. So that is for this one. Asking for how was the trip, tergantung dengan pengalamannya juga menggunakan it was. So, is it clear, sir, or do you have any questions?
Mm, no question.
Okay. For the next one, if we want to tell a story, berarti kita perlu yang namanya sequence words. Sequence word ini maksudnya kata yang menjelaskan urutan. Pertama, setelah itu, lalu, akhirnya. Nah, yang kata seperti itu, we can use this first. At first, I go to the castle, for example. After that, sama dengan then, setelah itu. Lalu in the end, akhirnya, sama dengan finally juga. Akhirnya, blank, 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 blank. Nah, di sini ada 4 kalimat, Sir. Ya, kira-kira ini urutannya bagaimana, Sir, yang benar?
Mm, First, yeah, number 4. First, I went for a walk in the forest, but I couldn't find my way out. And then number 3. Then I found a castle. I saw nobody there, so I took a rest. And number 2. After that, a big man came to me. I was so scared, but he was actually a policeman. He helped me. He helped me get out, get get out of the forest. And in the end, number 1. In the end, I could go back to my hotel safely. I was so happy. For me, the trip was really unforgettable.
Okay, very great, Sir. So that is for the sequence words tentang urutannya. Oke, lalu yang ini kita ada urutan yang sama. Lalu di sini ada urutan tempatnya. Bagaimana? Kira-kira kalau kita mau ceritakan kita pergi kemana pertama, setelah itu kemana, bagaimana, Sir, kalimatnya?
Mm, First, I I went to I went to ini ya, yang mana ya?
This one, Sir, first.
Sorry, this
Yes.
one. I went I went to castle ya.
Yes. Went to the castle.
I went I went to the castle.
And then,
And then I visited historical
is
art
it
galleries ya.
art galleries? Art galleries?
Art galleries to see cerita lawas.
Okay, to see historical story.
Itu
Story.
historical
Story. Okay. And then, sir?
historical story. And then I went to the zoo ya. And
Uh-huh.
then I went to the zoo with family to see many animals there. And then I went I went to the beach to picnic. And finally I I could back my hotel safely.
Okay. I went back, sir. I went back to my
I
hotel.
went back to my hotel
Lovely.
safely.
Okay. Very great. So that is about the storytelling by using the sequence. Okay, here. And do you have any questions, sir?
No question.
Okay, so for the last one, here we have about let's talk. So you have to describe an unforgettable trip you went on. It could be whatever. So for the first one, where did you go, sir, for your unforgettable trip?
Hmm, Deskripsikan ya. Mm, where did you go? Uh, I I go to
I
I go
went.
I went to sungai.
Oh, river.
River. I went to a river with my friends.
Oh, with my friends.
Then, untuk berenang bersama,
Oh, to swim together.
to swim together.
Okay.
Di
How
masa
was the
kecil,
Oh, masa kecil,
masa
uh,
kecil.
with my friends to swim together, at in my childhood. Okay.
In
And
my,
then, how was the trip? It
how
was
how was the trip? It was unforgettable.
okay, unforgettable. And how about the weather, sir? Do you remember how was the weather?
How was the weather? The weather was uh, sunny and mendung juga.
Oh, cloudy.
Cloudy.
Uh,
Okay.
And what did you do there, sir?
What did you do there? I I berenang begitu cepat dan dalam.
Oh, I swam very fast and
Yes.
deep
And
down
tip.
the river.
Okay.
Okay, so that is for describe